Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube channel link to Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to your YouTube account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on YouTube. Now I'm going to click onto my profile, bottom right hand corner of the page here. Now from here, I want to click onto where it says view channel. I'm going to view my channel, and on the three horizontal lines on the top, vertical line, sorry, click onto that, and then you want to click share, and at the bottom of the page go ahead and click on copy link. So now this is going to copy your YouTube profile link. Now from here, go to Roblox. So open up the Roblox app. All right, while the app is opening, we need to make sure to sign into your account. Then from here, we need to click onto the three dots where it says more on the bottom right hand corner of the page, and scroll down and look for settings. Here it is here, so click into settings and then click onto account info. Now once you're inside account info, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and under social networks you can add your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, etc. So go ahead and click on the YouTube part and then paste in your link. So here's my profile link here, youtube.com/tutorialwiz. Then from there, just press the down button and then go ahead and click on save, and then that's going to save your link. But you might get this error message, so that's okay. So go ahead and click onto OK, come back to the link, and now that's my channel name here, tutorialwiz. So everything after the question mark I'm going to delete, so let me do that now. All right, so that's my channel name there. And now again, go ahead and click onto save, and then it will come up with save successfully.